Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be trying on everything in my wardrobe. For a while now I've wanted to switch up my style. My clothes don't really express me that well. What I'm going to be doing in this video basically is I'm going to be sorting out my clothes. I'm going to go through these are mostly my summer clothes, as I've got my summer wardrobe here in Greece with me and most of my winter clothes are still in England. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sorting my wardrobe out and deciding what clothes I want to take back with me to England, what clothes are staying here and what clothes I'm giving away. If you enjoy watching this video, I'm probably going to film a similar video in a month or so where I do the same thing but with the clothes I have in England. And yeah, so if you want to watch that, then definitely subscribe and click the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I post that video.
My wardrobe is colour coordinated, and yeah, so we're going to go in order of colours, starting off with this purple crop top. I really like this crop top, I wear it all the time, and same goes for this one. Yeah, I don't know, I just like wearing them. Yeah, I think they're cool. Then this green vest top, I don't know why I folded it like that. At the time I thought it looked better than it does, so just ignore that. But yeah, basics, really useful, wear it quite often. And next up we have this top. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's alright. I used to like it a lot more than I do now, and I contemplated getting rid of it, but I'm actually going to get rid of this one, which is actually the same but in a different colour. But for some reason this doesn't sit as well, and yeah, whenever I wear it I'm just not happy with it, so there's no point in keeping it. Next up, this is possibly one of my favourite t-shirts. It's my Grace and Chance tee that I got last October when I went to see him. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Love this t-shirt. Then we've got this pink hoodie. It's from Boohoo Man. It was actually passed down to me by some friends, and yeah, it's so comfortable and also really light, so it's perfect for summer evenings when it gets a bit chilly. Next up we've got this t-shirt. I used to love it, but now I'm not so sure about it anymore. I got it ages ago. I might keep it, but just keep it here. Then we've got this red blouse top, kind of fancy, kind of wear it when I go out, kind of wear it casually as well. You can dress it up or dress it down. I'm actually not sure how I feel about this bodysuit. I got it from H&M for my cousin's wedding last year, and to be honest it's kind of uncomfortable and I can't decide whether it looks good or not. Sometimes I wear it and I like it, and other times I'm just like, I really don't like this. So yeah, I'm really undecided. Then this is probably one of my most worn items of clothing this summer. I absolutely love it. And this is another t-shirt that I got a while ago. We did a runway order a few years ago. I got this, I loved it, and to be honest I just don't wear it as much anymore. I also really like this top. It's quite comfortable. And just a plain grey vest top. Don't know where I got this from actually. And here's another one that I DIY'd for a video that you haven't seen and you're probably not going to see. Another runway top that I really love, and I don't wear as much, but I'm not getting rid of this one. I go through phases of wearing it quite often and not so much. Just another plain basic top, not my style anymore really, but it's so comfortable that I'm probably going to keep in Greece for me to wear when I visit. This I'll probably pass down to my sister. I bought this for a freshers event that I never went to in the end, and I haven't worn it much since. For the next two tops, you will know what the song for this Spotify code is if you watched my DIY TikTok clothing video, and if you did, honestly, I love you. this is from another DIY video, or was it the same one? It was the same one. I used to really like this top, but again, I don't vibe with it anymore. I'm not a fan. But basic vest top again. I got this from Turkey a few years ago. Again, I go through phases of really liking it and not liking it as much. This is from France. Yeah, I really love this top. I got it last September and I wear it all the time. Shawn Mendes merch. Do I really have to say anything else? It also kind of reminds me of the 1975. This also I've had for years. My sister got it for me, and oh, this top. Oh, I don't think I've worn this since I tried it on in the shop. I think I've worn it like maybe once since I bought it. Not many more times. I really want to like it, but I don't know why, I just don't wear it. I used to wear this all the time, but again, I've kind of grown out of it. Not my style anymore. I absolutely love this cardigan. And this one as well. I absolutely love cardigans at the moment, and I think this is a really nice green colour. Oh, and this denim jacket, I live for this jacket. It gives me all the confidence in the world. I don't know why, I put it on and I'm a different person. I absolutely love it. Oh, and this jacket has got such a long story behind it. Well, it's not that long actually, but I had the same one. I loved it. I forgot it in the airport and I ordered another one because I loved it so much, and I haven't worn it that much since. It's one of my favourite items in my wardrobe. I love this blazer so much. I've been looking for a blazer for ages and I found this one and I love it. It's so comfortable as well. This dress my sister got for me in January when I went to a formal. We actually did a video on it. And this is another little black dress I got from Primark. Very useful, wear it quite a bit, and yeah. So that means we can actually move on to shorts. We've got this pair of yellow shorts. I love the colour of them, but I'm not so sure about the fit and I'm not so sure about the shape of them. But yeah, the colour is worth it. It's worth keeping them. So yeah, plus they're very comfortable actually. We also have these shorts from Primark. These are really comfortable. They're nothing special. I've got them in black as well. Yeah, they're very comfortable. These, however, are not comfortable. They're very itchy. I never wear them, so I'm going to get rid of them. These ones are, I don't wear them much, but they're so convenient. These were from a DIY quite a few years ago. Well, I say quite a few, maybe like 2 years ago I DIY'd these. And this is basically the same pair, but without a DIY. These I only got this summer actually. They're very comfortable and I think they look nice if you pair them with the right top. And yeah, next we've got denim shorts. We've got these light wash denim shorts that I actually DIY'd, and another basic pair of denim shorts. And some cycling shorts. These are very comfortable, and what am I doing? Why didn't I cut this out? This skirt was my mum's, and again I DIY'd this for a video. As you can see, it's a little bit too big for me, but with a belt it's fine. And I DIY'd these for a video that you're not going to see most probably because I was so excited for the video, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to post it anymore because I haven't completed it and it doesn't look like I'm going to complete it anytime soon. because I need a sewing machine, and the sewing machine broke on us, so yeah. These trousers I got for Reading Festival last year, love them. These I also wear them all the time, a staple. You could dress them up or down. Another runway purchase. I don't shop from there anymore, try to avoid fast fashion nowadays. Next up we've got a couple of thrifted corduroy pants. These are a pair of Levi corduroy trousers. They're very comfortable. I absolutely love these as well. My t-shirt selection wasn't the best. Probably wear them with something different. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these because I haven't actually worn these yet other than trying them on in this video and one other time. And finally we have these trousers.
Okay, so that finally wraps it up for this video. I'm not sure how long this video has turned out for you guys, but for me it was such a long process trying on everything. Trying on all of my clothes took so much time, but it was definitely worth it. I'm now glad I've sorted them out a bit better and I kind of know what I'm doing. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, then why not give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love interacting with you guys. I love talking to you, so I really appreciate every single comment and all the support. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Yeah, I would
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.